Hi, my name's Rhyan Arietta and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do my morning routine, so let's get started. So I would normally wake up at 7 and then the first step to my morning routine would be to eat breakfast, which I already did. So now we're gonna pick out our outfit and get dressed. So I definitely wanna wear these shorts because I really like them and they're super comfy. They're the ones with the button down and the tie in the front. And then kind of feeling a striped top that I like to wear a lot. It's black and white. So yeah, let's go get dressed. Okay, so now that we're dressed, I'm going to go wash my face and do my hair. So let's get going. Okay, so I can't turn the light on in the bathroom because the fan's so loud that you can't hear me talk then. So I'm sorry if the lighting's bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my hair up so I don't get any face wash in it. Okay, let's get started. So first I like to wet my face with a nice washcloth because I don't like splashing water in my face. I know it's weird, but then I get my face cleaner. Wash off my face. I'm gonna do this in the mirror. So now I'm gonna dry off my face. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth. I often brush my teeth second because I forget to brush them first. So now I've brushed my teeth and washed my face, so I'm gonna use toner now. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna use a mirror for this because I just suck at it. Now I just put on chapstick because my lips are like chapped, so. Okay, there we go. And now for my hair. Okay, now that I have a comb, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Alright, so it's kind of curvy, but that's okay. We can just roll with it. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go back into my room, make my bed. Okay, so now that I washed my face, it's time to make my bed. I love to make my bed personally, just it wakes me up and helps me know that I'm up in the morning. Okay, so now that my bed's made, I'm just gonna open the blinds and just let my room light up, turn the lights off. Guys, the windows are open and the video to be officially backlit. So, okay, now I like to put my little tray on my bed. So now I probably straighten up my room a little bit because I always like it to be perfect because I'm a complete neat freak. So let's do that. Okay, so now that I'm all ready, it's time to start school, which symbolizes kind of the end of my morning routine because it goes into my more school routine. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also comment below any suggestions you may have or just anything on your mind. I don't care. I'll read it. I like it. That's a wrap. Peace. It's 10 o'clock right now and I'm going to pretend it's 7 in the morning. Hi, my name's Rhyan Arietta. Why can't I say my name? Hey Google, what's the weather today? Put my toner on the thingamajigger. So descriptive. This is weird because the mirror's here, but I have to look into the camera, so. But yeah, let's get started. Goldie's here. Goldie's gonna go in the closet. Oh my gosh, I just stepped on Goldie. I can't even tell you how uncentered this is. Why do my nails keep breaking? Oh my god. How'd they give me stickers, so I have to keep them.